In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a LinkedIn account. If you've decided that you no longer want to use LinkedIn, the process is fairly simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can do it without any confusion. Just make sure you're signed in to the LinkedIn account you want to remove before you begin, because all of the options we need are inside your account settings. To get started, look at the top right corner of the LinkedIn page and click on your profile. This will open the account menu where you'll find several different options related to your profile and account controls. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is the main area where LinkedIn keeps all of your account management options, including security, visibility, and account closure settings. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, go to Account Preferences. In this section, you'll see a variety of account-related settings. Take a moment to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. The option to permanently remove your account is not usually placed at the top, so keep scrolling until you find it. At the bottom, select Close and Delete Account. This is the setting LinkedIn provides for users who want to permanently shut down their account. Be careful at this stage because this action is meant for account removal, not just signing out or temporarily stepping away from the platform. After you click that option, LinkedIn will guide you through a short confirmation process. Click Continue to move forward. You'll then be asked to choose a reason for closing the account. Simply select the reason that best matches your situation. After that, enter your password to confirm that you are the owner of the account and that you really want to complete the deletion. Once you confirm, your LinkedIn account will be set for deletion, and that's it. The process is quick, but it's important to double-check that you truly want to remove the account before finishing, especially if you have connections, messages, or profile information you may want later. And that's all. You've successfully learned how to delete a LinkedIn account.